Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today's tutorial is going to be how to do the cluster V-stitch, also known as the iris stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. I have made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. To begin this little swatch, I did make 15 initial double crochet stitches for my first row. And then you can see how this stitch, this is the cluster V, how it is very wide in total. So I had originally skipped 3 stitches and worked into the 4th stitch. I just thought you guys could use this information in case you want to make this stitch, but you're unsure on like the logistics of how wide it's going to be. So this is how I've done my little test swatch. I did 3 chains over here on the side, and then I skipped 3, and then I worked into the 4th chain, the 4th stitch, sorry, and then did the cluster V, and then skipped 3 and did another one in the next 4th stitch. So to do this stitch, I have already made 3 chains on my hook over here. I'm going to go ahead and work into the top of this cluster V right here. So I'm going to work 1 double crochet, a 2nd double crochet in that same spot, a chain 1, another double crochet in that same spot, and then another double crochet. And that is going to be 1 cluster V stitch made. So it's 2 double crochet, 1 chain, 2 double crochet, all in the same spot. So again, I'm going to move over to this one over here. I'm going to do 1 double crochet, another double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, and another double crochet, all in that same spot. And again, 1 double crochet, another double crochet, chain 1, another double crochet, and the last double crochet. And then to complete my row, I'm going to make 1 double crochet at the end, just to make sure it all lays flat. So this entire cluster right here is the cluster V stitch. 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet, all in the same spot, or all in the same stitch. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more from me. Please leave me any feedback or any suggestions on future videos that you would like to see. Hope you guys enjoyed it and have a great day.